Hi, my name is Angela Huffman. I'm an APQS dealer and educator, and I have a design to show you that'll go in small sashing spaces. It's called Curled Sprout. We're going to drop in with just a little letter E, and then we're going to do a backward C, and I'm just going to put a little leaf on the top of my C, and then head back out. Little letter E, and head to a C, and put a little tiny pebbles on the top of my C. E. This one would work in a small space quite well. Thanks for watching. If you'd like more information about APQS machines, contact your local dealer, visit your local APQS store, or visit us online at apqs.com. Be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel so you're notified every time a new video is posted, and join us on Facebook. We'd love to see what you're working on.